and today we're going to learn how to draw a monster version of Bluey. So let's get started, okay? We're going to go right here. We're going to draw a angle down right there for the eye. Circle right there. Going to go up over here and down. Already the eyebrow is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit more monstrous version of Bluey, or an evil Bluey. Line out. Curve along the edge of the nose over here just a bit. Down right here to the front of the snout. Curve back over here. Up. Down over here, like so. And so in there you want to draw some sharp teeth. This is the monster version of Bluey. Now, let's go over here to the other side for the other brow, like so. Line down over here, line down over here. So you see that's kind of the completed eye around that side. Angle over here for the edge of the nose. Might even throw that out there a little bit. Make it a little bit more pointy than normal. And leave a little bit of a highlight. We'll do the eyes at the end. So over here now, we're going to go line over here for the side of his head. Top of his forehead over here. Across. Back over here. Curve. Down. Over here, the front over here. Like so. He's got like a body shaped like a cell phone. That's very like Bluey-esque. Down right here for the arm. Down right here over here for this arm. Line right there for his hand. He's going to have claw-like hands this time. Just little triangles, nothing too fancy. Over to the back, curve around. Line across over here, curve up. Alright. So far so good, right? Taking it slow. Don't worry about it. Doesn't have to be exact. You just want like a little bit of like, you know what I mean? Something close. Let's go over here now. Curve for the arm out. Curve for the arm out. Same thing. These could be claws. Line down. Like here. Another claw. And like there. So. Gonna go over here. Curve. For a little fat pat on the hand right there. We kind of have all that in our palm. So we're just gonna do that little curve. We're going to find the ears now. So we're going to start with straight line up. Back over here. Like so. It's going to be a little bit pointier than normal. Although his ears are pretty pointy. So it's not that much pointier to be honest. So there's nothing to think about there. Out over here. Down. Line up over here. Angle. Line up over here. Angle over here. Cool, cool. We're getting close to the point where we're almost done. So, already. Gonna go right here now. Line down over here for the leg. And another straight line down. Over here on this side, straight line down on this side, straight line down over here. Curve in, curve in, up right there. Curve in, curve in, curve in, up right there. All right, let's go over here for the tail now. Line over here, and we're gonna have a spiky-ish tail. 1, 2, almost like a foxtail kind of. 3. Line up over here. Okay, let's do his color spots first, and then we'll go into the eyes. Curve on the side right there. Line like so. Line around here. Over here on this side. Let's go into the eyes, I guess, first one. I just decided to go on. Line down here. Kind of that slit pupil look makes him look devious. All right. One more thing over here. Well, not one more thing. Curve up over there for the color change. Line here for the color change. Over here for the belly. Okay. Something like so. On the back over here. Like so. Angled line right there. Line across. All right. Let's get that line on the tail. If you want, you can draw another zigzag line right there. Again, very fox-like, but it's not. So, and that is pretty much it. I want you to say what's up in the comments. If you're there, if you listened to it to this point, congrats, you made it through the whole thing. You're amazing. Share the video if you did like it. Helps the channel out when you do that, and it does. It's really cool. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Everything you're doing is amazing. I want you to stay right there, though, because what we're going to do is we're going to jump into another drawing lesson pretty much in a minute here. So I want you to stay right there. We're about to draw. We're about to go into another drawing lesson. Okay? So just stay right there. We're going to get started on this whole thing. Okay? Right now.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.